Let's stay in the courts. Enyobeni Tavern owners Siyakhangela and Vuyokazi Ndevu have been convicted for selling liquor to minors. The court found that the state had proven its case beyond reasonable doubt that the couple were responsible for selling alcohol to underage patrons. Now, on the night of the 26th of June 2022, 21 teenagers died under mysterious circumstances at Enyobeni Tavern in East London. Here's Newzroom Afrika's Siphosethu Booi with that report.
The state prosecutor led closing arguments saying the magistrate should take into account evidence that has been brought to court by state witnesses.
The state, Your Worship, is required under these circumstances simply to prove his case beyond reasonable doubt. That is the task of the state. We prove this case, and which we believe that indeed we have we have succeeded by way of evidence.
The lawyer for the accused argued that her clients couldn't make a judgment on the age of patrons by just looking at them, and therefore the court should find her clients not guilty for selling alcohol to minors.
Your Worship, my submissions regarding the issue of underage drinking and selling of alcohol. One cannot pinpoint and confirm the minors bought alcohol with the cashiers, and the cashiers sold the alcohol knowing their ages, as these minors have confessed to have concealed their true identity by dressing older and presenting themselves older. This is a problem, Your Worship, as Sinemi Haba was at the premises with his aunt, a person who was seen to be his mother. What is this country come to normalize drinking with their children? This incident cannot only be pinpointed and limited only to Enyobeni in Scenery Park, Your Worship, as this incident or problem is still ongoing, as underage drinking in South Africa and mostly in the Eastern Cape is still occurring, Your Worship. And then it's done so in large public spaces in Scenery Park and establishments in Scenery Park, Your Worship, to date, and nothing has been done about it, Your Worship. But all that we can do is to hope that the law will try and do something of this underage drinking in our province. Your Worship, it is my submission to this court for this court to find my clients accused 1 and 2 not guilty on both counts. Should my clients be found guilty, Your Worship, we plead that for this court to impose a sentence that is of suspended sentence or a fine.
The magistrate wasted no time to find Siyakhangela and Vuyokazi Ndevu guilty, saying the former took no precautionary measures to prevent entry of minors into his establishment, nor for the minors not to be sold liquor.
There was no policy of checking ages or IDs. Not that the accused sold alcohol personally to him or that they were even aware of the fact that alcohol was being sold to him. But I have no reason whatsoever to doubt that he was in fact sold alcohol at Enyobeni Tavern that evening. He was 17 years of age at the time. No attempt was made to verify his his age. This obviously was an offence in terms of the act.
The parents expressed their emotions, saying they look forward to the sentencing.
We are happy. That's the only thing that I can say, because at least we can see that out of everything that we have gone through, but at least today has made us happy parents, because at least now they have just been found guilty of selling alcohol, as much as we understand that it's only the selling of alcohol, but it gives us hope.
The matter will return to court on the 23rd of February for arguments in aggravation and mitigation of sentence. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Siphosethu Booi in East London.